where is your treasure? Lay up for yourselves treasures in heaven. Matthew chapter 6 verse 20. Many young people are building their lives on the rock of materialism. I find across the country a deep economic discontent among people in every walk of life. People want more and more things. They forget that we are enjoying the highest standard of living the world has ever known. We still have poverty, and hundreds of agencies are trying to do something about it, but we are dissatisfied. We want more, more, more. But Jesus said, you cannot serve God and money. He said that a man's life does not consist in the abundance of the things that he possesses. Adolf Berle, in his study of power, points out that riches often make people solitary and lonely and, of course, afraid. Many times a rich man knows loneliness and fear, because when he makes wealth his God, it leaves him empty. You see, without God life loses its zest and purpose and meaning. Prayer for the day. Knowing you, my heavenly Father, brings richness to my life and soul.